Grips. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di sini di Grips Galeri Barang Bekas in Makassar. Kita promo sound system untuk nonton film atau karaoke dan lain sebagainya. Mereknya LG. Oke, 3 speakernya, ini subwoofernya, ini front. Oke guys, remote-nya ada original. Oke. Coba kita lanjutkan dulu, play. Oke. Nah, lagi dites nih. Wow. Bersama TV 29 inci LCD. Oke, LCD TV Toshiba. Sound system yang sangat menggelegar. X metal bass. 5.300 PMPO RMS 500.
We came here to get along, and I'm getting a massage. I want you to whisper your name in my ear. Mordecai.
Every time these two best friends tried to make a buck,
What is this, man? Pet my wheelchair?
they ended up busted.
I ain't going to jail. Watch out!
But when their lives go from bad to worse,
I'm thinking about moving to Atlanta.
You ain't taking my son nowhere.
Listen, unless you got $17,000, I gotta go.
it'll take more than faith
Hey, woman.
to answer their prayers.
This is like Club Jesus. Y'all got cheese with?
We raised $230,000. Amen. You're not robbing no church with the
speaker.
Junior is in Atlanta calling something to do, Daddy. Don't be mad at
Asik
me.
dipakai nonton film.
Get down, somebody got a gun.
Dengerin musik boleh juga
All
guys.
we want is the money. Let's go. The money we came to steal, somebody stole it.
Who was
TV
still
masih normal
money?
semua, remote lengkap semua, USB normal semua. Mouse portable boleh, mantap.
What she needs is to lose a few pounds.
Oke
I'm just
guys,
saying, that would help.
dan TV-nya juga normal semua. Toshiba LED 29 inci.
Hello,
Berminat langsung hubungi kami di Grips 081242788789. Terima kasih, salam barang bekas.